Bonjour, Jen here. Before we start, relax your jaw, relax your forehead, relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, hold it, hold it, hold it, and take a long, deep breath out. I just want you to take a second and think about something you are grateful for today. It could be the tiniest little thing. For me, is I'm grateful for waking up this morning in a safe home and peaceful home. And if you feel like sharing, share your gratitude in the comments section so we can get a conversation going. Now that it's done, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy, everyday 10-minute makeup look using only drugstore makeup. Yo, let's start. We are starting with the brows. I will be using the NYX Macro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And I like this pencil because it has a spoolie in it, which makes the process even faster. So I'm going to outline my brows. I forgot to mention that my face is clean and moisturized, so don't forget to do the same. Always start with a clean and moisturized base. So that's about it. I like to go in below and then on top and fill in between the sparse areas of my brows. And when I'm done, I like to brush back to see if there's any spot that I have missed so I can go back and fix it. To clean up my brows, I like using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This concealer is one shade lighter than my skin complexion. So I'm gonna clean up my brows using a flat concealer brush. Make sure you drag down the concealer once you've cleaned up your brows because you don't want any harsh lines. You want a seamless look, right? To make it look very natural. So that's what I am doing. Brows are done. Now I'm going to use a concealer that is exactly my skin tone, if not a tad bit darker, to correct because I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth, dark spots, and under my eyes. For that reason, I'm going in with the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. And like I said, I'm going to conceal a little bit the spots that are dark on my face. And I don't mind that a little bit of my dark spots peeks through, but you know, I just like to correct a little bit. Gonna go a bit also under my eyes. Just gonna use this foundation brush to tap it in. You can use your fingers as well. See, now my face looks even. I'm going back with my Maybelline Fit Me just to brighten a little bit. It's not gonna brighten a lot because it's one shade lighter than my skin complexion, but it's still going to, you know, make me look more awake, if that makes sense. And I'm using this everywhere where the light usually hits the face. And I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend this out. I'm making sure to blend the edges so there's no lines of demarcation, so it looks seamless again. So I think this is the most important part. It's having a seamless look. It's time to set under the eyes. I will be setting my under my eyes using my Maybelline Fit Me powder with a powder puff. This combo together, I'm telling you, this is it's great. So don't forget to blend the creases under your eyes before setting it, because you want it to be creaseless and smooth. This powder is lighter than my face powder because I'm setting the lightest areas of my face with it, so I need it to be just a tad bit lighter. Now we're down to the last steps of this 10-minute makeup look. I will be setting my whole face using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. This is also going to help, bring the shine down on my face because I am an oily skin girl. If you do not have a oily skin, you can definitely leave this part out. I'm going to bronze a little bit just to bring back a little bit of warmth and structure as well on my face. I will be using the Juvia's Place bronze. It's written bronze bronzé. I think bronzé it's in French. That's a French word for bronzed. So it's the bronzer palette. I'm going to use the two shades and bring back a little bit of structure and warmth into my face. I'm also going to use this palette to bronze my eyelids a little bit. I'm doing this part because not only my eyelids are a bit darker than my face usually, so adding a little bit of bronzer on it, it looks natural. And also I'm removing the shiny or the oils off of my eyelids because I have oily lids. I'm also using the bronzer to put a little bit more structure to my nose. Now I'm adding a little bit of blush. I'm using the Sephora Matte Perfection Blush Duo. By the way, all the products I am using will be in the description down below. I love this blush because it's a duo, so there's two colors in there. Not me dropping my stuff. It's so pretty. Look at this. I'm adding a little bit of highlighter. This step is optional, but this is the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I'm gonna add on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose and also in my inner corners. I'm going to add mascara as well as falsies because I'm a falsies girl. But if you do not wear falsies, you stop here after the mascara. I'm gonna add back my beauty marks. And adding mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. But like I said, as far as for the face makeup, you could leave it there. But I like the lash look. I'm gonna pop on my lashes. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna add a bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. For my lips, I will be using the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. And for gloss, I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. We're in French, Madeleine. That's it. It's so quick. Even for me, I'm like, oh my God, that was so quick compared to my full glam. This is optional, but you could use a setting spray. It's the Last and Fix setting spray by Maybelline. I'm not gonna use it today, but definitely if you want your makeup to stay put and have a longer longevity, you can use that, but I'm not gonna use it today. So all right, you made it to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment in the section down below so you can interact with the video and boost the engagement of this video. This will really help my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. And thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate you, and I will see you all on my next one. Bisous.